Le mashi iyingxenye yokulwa nenselele yokudayiswa kwezidakamizwa eindaweni ezisenkabeni yedolobha. Inhlangano iMarch and March imashele endaweni eyaziwa ngo-Albhadwa eThekwini ifuna ukuthi baphume baphele abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
Today's one is specifically focused on no-go areas, Point Road being one of them. Point Road has been taken over by mostly Nigerians. It's even become a name known as Lagos, which is very, very sad to know that there are places in South Africa where we do not feel safe as South Africans because they've been taken over by people who are not from South Africa.
Isola amaphoyisa ngokusebenzisana nabo kufika abadayisa izidakamizwa.
There are police who are criminals themselves, and they are working with the criminals here. That's why you'll find people selling drugs in broad daylight, and nobody's going to do anything because our government is making it a norm to have these mushrooming places where there's people from all over the world coming and living in those places, occupying those spaces, and making us feel uncomfortable in our own country.
Umgqugquzeli wale mashi uthi lezi indawo ezingo-Albhadwa zigcina seziba isidleke sobugebengu. Le mashi ihambele indawo ezihlukene eThekwini yaphuthulwa esiteshini samaphoyisa nalapho bethumele khona uhlu lwezikhalo.